this video, we will be walking through Tenable's provisioning portal, which allows customers to directly assign IPs and assets to their purchase consoles and containers. To access the portal, head to provisioning.tenable.com and log in using your community account credentials. When you first log in, you'll land on the Tenable.sc page. The flows for Tenable.sc and Tenable.sc Continuous View are the same, so we'll just walk through the steps for Tenable.sc. What's displayed here are all the parent license codes you have for Tenable.sc. You can see the total number of IPs and the total number of consoles for each parent license. What's grayed out are any active licenses on the old SKU model, which cannot be managed in the portal. When you click on a particular parent license code, you will see all the child consoles that are grouped under that parent. To create a console, click on this button here, optionally set a label, and use the slider bar to set the number of IPs. To edit a console, simply hit the Edit button and use the slider bar to adjust the number of IPs. Note that if you reduce the number of IPs, those will be freed up to use on another console. You can also delete a console using the Delete button. Once you've created a console, you will need to click on this link to go to the products page in Community so that you can set the hostname and download the key file. Note that whenever you edit a console size, you will need to re-download the key and upload to the respective host for those changes to take effect. Also keep in mind that it might take a minute or two for a new console to show up in Community. The flow for Tenable.io is similar. Click on Tenable.io on the left-hand side, and you'll be directed to this page, which lists all the parent license codes you have for Tenable.io. When you click on a particular parent license code, you will see all the child consoles, which in this case are synonymous with Tenable.io Cloud containers, that you have grouped under that parent license code. When you create a console in the provisioning portal for Tenable.io, a cloud container is spun up on the fly, and thus you will be asked to specify a unique email address for the Tenable.io container, and you will also be given the UUID associated with the cloud container. As with Tenable.sc, you can create, edit, and delete consoles, and you can also shift assets from one console to another. And that is it. Just a few minutes and your new Tenable product is provisioned. Thank you for watching.